Unboxing Fiido Kidz. Unbox and take out all the bike parts. Check if all the components are complete. Handlebar installation. Use an Allen wrench to loosen the stem screws. Rotate the stem to align it with the front wheel. Then use the Allen wrench to tighten the top screw and the two side screws of the stem. Remove the stem cap and unscrew the 4 screws on the stem cap. Insert the handlebars and then place the stem cap back. Adjust the handlebar alignment to set it at a 15 to 25 degrees angle to the horizontal. Then, use the Allen wrench to firmly tighten the 4 screws on the stem in an alternating diagonal pattern. How to use. Press the battery switch on the bike to turn on the battery power. Press the power switch on the right handlebar to turn on the bike's power. Download and install the Fiido app. Then click to search for devices. Find the Fiido Kidz device and click to enter. Then read the precautions before pairing the connection. Click on throttle mode and drag the speed adjustment button at the bottom of the app to adjust the maximum speed for pure electric and electric assist output. Push the throttle on the right handlebar to drive the bike forward with pure electric power. Click on Pedal Assist mode and drag the assist speed button at the bottom of the app to adjust the continuous output power time while coasting. How to charge. Open the charging port cover on the side of the bike and connect the charger to the bike. Then, connect the charger to the power source to start charging. A red light indicates charging, and a green light indicates that it's fully charged. After charging is complete, disconnect the power cable and cover the charging port with the dustproof cap.